The 10 Best Dogs, a tail-wagging guide to canine greatness. Let's face it, ranking dogs is like ranking pizza. It's all good, but sometimes you need a little guidance when picking the perfect pooch. Whether you're a first-time dog owner, a seasoned canine connoisseur, or just here to argue about your favorite breed, this list of the 10 best dogs will have tails wagging and hearts melting. Number 1. Mini Dachshund, the pocket-sized charmer. Small enough to fit in the tote bag, but big enough in personality to run the house. The Mini Dachshund is a paw-perfect companion. Originally bred for hunting badgers, these wiener dogs come in smooth, wire-haired, or long-haired varieties. Each as adorable as the next. With their sausage-like bodies and soulful lives, they'll convince you they need one more treat, or 10. Bonus points for their uncanny ability to steal the warmest spot on the couch. Number 2, Golden Retriever, the people's champ. If dogs had superlatives, the Golden Retriever would win. Most likely to brighten your day. Friendly, loyal, and always up for a game of fetch, Goldens are basically sunshine wrapped in fur. Originally bred for retrieving waterfowl, they're natural swimmers and love outdoor adventures. They'll even pose for an Instagram if it needs more belly rubs. Number 3, French Bulldog, the king of cuddles. Those bat-like ears, that squishy face. The Frenchie is a definition of too cool to care. Low energy, but high on love. French Bulldogs are perfect for apartment living and don't need tons of exercise. Just give them a cozy lap, some snuggles, and a soft blanket, and they're in heaven. Their goofy personalities will keep you entertained for hours. Number 4, Australian Shepherd, the brainiac with boundless energy. Need a workout buddy and a genius all rolled into one? The Australian Shepherd is your dog. Known for their herding instincts and stunning coats that come in colors like merle and tricolor, these pups thrive on physical and mental stimulation. They're happiest when they have a job to do, whether it's agility training, frisbee, or just making sure you don't sleep through your alarm. Number 5, Labrador Retriever, America's sweetheart. It's no surprise the Lab is America's favorite dog. Equal parts goofy and gentle, Labs are known for their love of water and endless appetite for fun and food. Their double coat keeps them warm in chilly lakes, and their natural retrieving skills makes them the ultimate fetch champions. Who needs a gym when you've got a Lab constantly dropping a tennis ball at your feet? Number 6, Shih Tzu, the royal lapdog. This breed is basically a walking teddy bear with a royal pedigree dating back to ancient China. Shih Tzus were bred to be palace champions, and they take their job very seriously, by lounging in your lap, of course. Their flowing coats make them look like they've just stepped out of a hair salon, but underneath the fluff is a heart full of loyalty and love. Number 7, German Shepherd, the hero dog. Loyal, intelligent, and brave, the German Shepherd is the canine equivalent of a superhero. Originally bred as herding dogs in Germany, they've since become the golden standard for police, military, and service work. They'll protect your home, learn tricks faster than you can teach them, and still find time to snuggle. If you're looking for a four-legged best friend, this is it. Number 8, the Corgi, the short-legged superstar. Corgis are proof that things come in small, fluffy packages. Famous for their adorable splot when they stretch out flat on their bellies, these herding dogs come in Pembroke and Cardigan varieties. They bring joy wherever they go with their perky ears and happy-go-lucky attitude. Plus, they're famous for their royal connections, because even Queen Elizabeth couldn't resist their charm. Number 9, Poodle, the stylish smarty pants. Don't let their fancy fur fool you. Poodles are smart as they are stylish. Whether it's a standard, miniature, or toy, these curly-coated geniuses excel in everything from obedience to agility. Originally bred as water retrievers, their athleticism matches their brains. And yes, they know they look fabulous, especially with that classic pom-pom cut. Number 10, Mixed Breeds, the ultimate underdogs. Who needs a pedigree when you've got personality? Mixed breeds, aka mutts, are the hidden gem of the dog world. often healthier due to their diverse genetics. They're unique, full of surprises, and every bit as loving as their purebred counterparts. Adopt one, and you'll have a best friend for life, and maybe even a one-of-a-kind conversation starter. Final bark. Choosing the best dog is impossible because the truth is every dog is the best dog for someone. Whether you're a fan of big floofs, pint-sized pups, or anything in between, one thing is certain. Life is better with a wagging tail and a furry friend by your side. Got a favorite breed? Drop your pick in the comments and let the friendly dog debates begin. Subscribe for more interesting facts about fur babies. P.S. I'm a local realtor and would love to find you your next home for you and your precious fur babies.